things underway. Bob, you looking forward to this one?
You bet I am. We're in for quite a game.
The defense hates to get caught up by those isolation plays.
With his scoring ability, he's got to make a double team. But he can also beat you with man.
Orlando increases their lead to 4. He fakes the shot. Phillips takes the jumper. One thing you have to give him, he's got an explosive lead.
Yeah, but if he had better timing, he could maybe lead the league in block shots.
To Shaq. Fake. To Hill. To Davis. He fakes. To T-Mac. 3. Yes. That shot is good.
They just don't get any better than that.
Davis is whistled for the defensive foul. The coach needs to settle some of his bench players down.
Definitely. This team needs to show a little solidarity right now.
The assistant, Jerry Stackhouse.
With the nice shot fake. He's rocking it.
You want to watch the backboard.
He'll bring it up court.
The assistant, Shaquille O'Neal.
Backs him down. Williamson misses the jumper. McGrady, no good.
Detroit ball.
Dishes off to Billups. This player definitely has the skills to create for himself.
And that's why he wants the ISO.
That was great anticipation that time, Bob.
Don, he had both feet set and drew the foul.
Davis is known for taking the ball to the hole when his team needs points the most. To T-Mac. To Shaq. Sends it to Davis. Here's the stop. Orlando increases their lead to 5. He'll bring it up court.
The assistant, Tracy McGrady. 3.
For 3. Great shot.
Don, this is an education in concentration.
And his shooting streak continues. He sets it up on the right side. Early in his career, Rivers' potential was hidden by injury. But nowadays, there's no doubt about his ability. Phillips sets up the play. Strips the ball.
He brought the ball handler up short on that play.
Davis shakes the defense with a quick spin move. Phillips will bring it up court. He initiates the offense. Teams have to accept the fact that Stackhouse is going to score a lot of points.
What they have to do is shut his teammates down.
Sends it to Davis. Hill gets the ball. Off the mark. Robinson collects the rebound. Phillips sets it up on the right side. Back to Robinson. He pump fakes.
2 minutes to go.
With the jumper. McGrady grabs the rebound. Gives it off to Hill. As a former Raptor, T-Mac felt like he was option number 2. There's no question he's the main man on this team. C-Webb now has 9 points. Anytime he can get the isolation, his eyes light up. Takes his jumper. Stackhouse hits the shot. He fakes the shot. He's bringing it down.
It's what, baby.
The Magic lead by 9.
The assistant, Baron Davis.
Phillips sets up the offense. If they can run a few isolation plays for him, he'll come up with points. Detroit is trailing by 7. Stolen. Their pressure defense is starting to pay off.
The other team is completely off balance right now.
Davis has found the touch bomb.
Grant Hill.
5. He sets it up.
Orlando's going to come up with a lot more steals with that counterpart.
No one wants a piece of that. He's now got 7 points.
The assistant, Baron Davis.
The defensive player timed that one perfectly and came away with the ball.
Off
the glass.
That's a 6-0 run. Orlando increases their lead to 13. With the Rainmaker. He looks to run. He's looking for respect.
He's got mine.
That's 6 points for the fourth-year pro.
The assist to number 33, Grant Hill.
Phillips feels they have an advantage down low. They're going to try and exploit it. They're going to try and get the ball to the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it might open up the outside shot.
The assist
Detroit cuts the lead to 13. Takes the shot. Got it.
The shooting doctor is in.
And you don't need an appointment to see him for 3 points. Not there. After one, the Magic are up 30-15. We saw some good play from this team, but that didn't help on the scoreboard.
Fundamentally, this is a sound ball club, but sometimes it just gets all lost in the execution.
The rest of the team gave him some room to operate. Steal. To T-Mac. To Weber. Davis gets the pass. He doesn't get the basket. Takes the offensive rebound. I think we're seeing a call for some post play here.
They want to work the ball inside to see how the defense reacts.
Davis picks off the pass.
There are no free rides tonight.
That scrambling defense is forcing some mental mistakes. Stackhouse puts it up. He puts it up. Batted away by McGrady. Up with a shot. No. O'Neal boards it. Stackhouse brings on a little pressure D. Didn't need to, but double pump it anyway. He'll bring it up court. Phillips is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. Davis is whistled for the foul.
Baron Davis into the game for the Pistons. Number 7, Charlie Atkins. And number 12,
You got to watch that player when he isolates his man. Swats it away. Atkins will bring it up court.
Ball into the game.
8 on the shot clock.
Number 20.
He sets up the play. Unloads a 3. No. Hill collects the rebound. To Hill. To T-Mac. Oh, look out! That's 11 points for the former first-round pick. That's a 6-0 run. This is a matchup they can take advantage of.
That's why we're seeing the isolation.
Out of bounds. Detroit ball into the game for the
Atkins
Pistons.
sets things up.
13, Mehmet Okur.
With a nice shot fake.
The Pistons had better rethink their game plan.
Davis quickly brings it up court. Hill at center court. To Weber. He fakes. Hill receives the ball. To T-Mac. To C-Web. 3. Off target. Wallace with the rebound. When they spread their offense, it gives him the room he needs to operate.
And it really makes a tough draw on the defender.
Hill makes the finger roll off the window. That's 6 points for the former Duke Blue Devil. His teammates are giving him room for the ISO.
When he can get some room, he can really operate.
Davis is called for the defensive foul.
To number 1.
No one talks much about this player's free throw shooting skills.
Now, I don't think there's much to really talk about.
Into the game for the Detroit Pistons.
Foul shot is no good.
Selko Leblanc.
He sets it up on the left side. To Hill with a nice shot fake. 3. Nope. Okur pulls it down. To Barry. Gonna shoot. He is such a tough assignment on defense.
And when he can lure you into a one-on-one showdown, you know he's going to cross you up.
Dish to Davis. To Shaq. Fakes it. To Davis. Tries the 3. Labracha gets the board. Hill, good fake. Sends it to McGrady. Looks at the three. Got it.
Tracy McGrady. The assist to number 34, Shaquille O'Neal.
One-on-one, this player's hard to stop. Atkins buries the shot.
For 2.
Passes off to Davis. Shaq runs the floor as well as any big man out there.
That's why he can get such good position most of the time.
To Curry. If they can run a few isolation plays for him, he'll come up with points. O'Neal grabs it. Hill off the board.
He strokes it and comes up with another basket.
This isn't the kind of player who needs 3 picks and a pass to score.
Just give him the rock and get out of his way.
He has 6 points. Mr. High Riser, he sure knew how to throw that one down with authority. Orlando increases their lead to 26.
This team needs to show a little patience here.
They should be focusing on getting the best shot here. Puts up the jumper. Orlando is showing us their running game right now. That was an awful pass.
Good passing is all about communication. Guys have been playing together for long enough time, they don't even have to look at each other.
The rest of the team gave him some room to operate.
John Barry for 2. The assist to Chucky Atkins.
We got one here.
He couldn't connect on the pass.
There was no way the other player could have known that ball was heading his way.
With a clutch shot. At the end of the second, Orlando leads Detroit 47-23. They've let things go a little too far in the first half.
How do you get back on track after all of that? I don't know, but I know it's got to start on the defensive end.
Right now, come on.
Takes his jumper. O'Neal comes up empty. Billups grabs it. There's the dunk.
That move was flat out off the hook.
Chauncey Billups.
To Hill. There's the fake. Dish to Davis. To Weber. To Hill. With the nice shot fake. Finger roll.
He was able to drive right down the lane that time.
Next time the defense has got to shut down the paint. Billups is trying to run some plays for the big man to get some production in the paint. Rejects it. To Davis. He sets up the offense. Weber, good fake. Blocked.
Out of bounds.
I don't see the official reversing his call.
Of course not, Don. What the player's trying to do is get a better call.
Oh, I felt that one from here. Billups wants to try and work it into the post here.
They came up with a big steal that time.
Pump fakes. Looks at 3. McGrady misfire. Wallace gets the rebound. Davis with the defensive foul.
That's his 4th personal team foul.
Goes up with the shot. 1. Orlando runs the fast break. In to McGrady. Passes off to Hill. To T-Man. Dishes off to Davis. Robinson picks up the defensive foul. O'Neal goes to the charity stripe for 2.
Team foul number 1.
He misses the first shot. Gets the second. You got to watch that player when he isolates the lane. Oh, baby, that got everyone out of their seats. That's 6 points for the 8-year pro. To McGrady. To Davis. He pump fakes. To the Diesel. Robinson with the theft. Detroit quickly back the other way. Davis is whistled for the defensive foul.
Aaron Davis. That's
Billups makes the first.
Team foul number 2.
The Pistons narrow the gap to 23. Fakes the shot.
Out of bounds.
Don, he didn't like the call. He's going to say so, but he's going to do it in a way that doesn't make things worse.
He knows the last thing his team needs is to be feuding with the officials.
Plays like that will get the transition game going.
Good defense can turn into quick points. Looks at a three. Oh, yes!
He has got some fresh moves.
And that gives him another basket.
And I think we will see a few more of those.
Blocked by Weber.
Remaining in the third quarter.
He fights on the shot fake. I think he wants to take over this game.
I think he just did.
That's 15 points for the former first-round pick. He sets up the offense. To Robinson. Phillips takes the jumper. He has a team high with 13 points.
Number 30, Cliff Robinson.
McGrady pump fakes to C-Webb. McGrady puts up the shot. That gives him a game-high 17 points. Looks at the three. Got it.
He spots up and drains the shot.
That, my friend, is first-class shooting. To C-Webb. Williamson picks off the pass. He'll bring it up court. Phillips sets it up on the right side. Shot blocked by Davis.
Don't force. Out of bounds. Detroit ball. 5 up. That's down. 4 up. Right.
Phillips with the fake. Yes!
Chauncey.
That's 18 points for the former first-round pick. With the quick spin move, he draws the charge.
That just shows that a big part of defense is played with your feet.
One-on-one, this player is hard to stop. Kicks it out to Williamson. They feel they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try to exploit it. Passes off to Robinson. He pushes up the floor. To Shaq. He fakes. To T-Mac. Pass to Davis. To Hill. McGrady gets his man in the air. Once he gets in the air, it's all over. He's red hot with 16 points.
Grant Hill. 5.
He sets things up. Lets it fly. Phillips buries the tray.
Block management. Play for the last shot.
Goes up. O'Neal can't find the hole. After 3, Orlando leads. What can you say about a team like this?
Now, they've done everything right so far, but most importantly, the star players have really been playing some great team basketball, and that's what's got it done for them.
To Davis. With the jumper.
The Magic are in control of this game.
The assist to number 34, Shaquille O'Neal.
Phillips is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
If they can run a few isolation plays for him, he'll come up with points. Davis with the steal to McGrady. The Pistons give up another.
Down in situations like that, don't start going at the ref. Get yourself back on D.
Hey, Club. He's all over me, ref.
With the shot, he makes the jumper.
The assist to Chauncey Billups.
Misses for 2. O'Neal takes the offensive board. He's now got 6 rebounds. Makes the shot. Wow, did you see how high he got on that dunk? That's an all-star dunk.
The assist to number 33, Grant Hill. 5 up.
Seems to me they're looking to generate some points in the paint. Knocked away. He threw that down hard. That gives him 11 points.
5. What are you doing, ref?
3. Got it.
This man is putting on a shooting clinic tonight.
Hill puts it up. Williamson with the board.
Where's the foul?
Stackhouse.
Got me on the arm.
Strips the ball. They'll add another steal to their total for the game. Passes off to Hill. Puts it off the window.
The assistant, number 1, Baron Davis.
Bob up.
The rest of the team gave him some room to operate. It's showtime. 360 slam. That scores a perfect 10 for that dunk.
Number 1, Chauncey Billups.
To Davis. To O'Neal. Oh, I thought he was going to tear down the rim with that two-handed jam. That's 13 points for the former first-round pick.
Number 7, Chucky Atkins. And number 12, Michael Curry.
Backcourt violation.
Backcourt violation, Detroit.
With a nice shot fake. To Davis. He puts up the jumper. Blocked by Atkins. To Atkins.
On your right.
He looks for three. Yes. You know, Bob, if this were a game of horse, that's got to be an 8.
You got that right.
Back to Hill. To McGrady. Davis handles the feet. He's coming through.
With the monster dunk.
McGrady. 2 minutes remaining in the
Goes
fourth
up. My
Chucky
goodness.
Atkins for 2.
To Hill. To O'Neal. Leaves his feet. He slams that one down. Two-fisted.
O'Neal. The assist to
Atkins goes up.
Grant Hill.
Come on, man. Call that call.
He gets him in the air. To Hill. Pass to Davis. He ran into trouble that time.
Unforced errors are going to be the death of this team.
For the Pistons, number 34, Horace Williamson.
Trap that, trap that.
And number 1, Chauncey Billups.
3.
Takes the shot. Nails the jumper. Orlando seems to have lost their focus.
They need to huddle up and get their story straight.
3. O'Neal with the board.
3.
Davis, good fake. Robinson with the theft. This game has gone from bad to worse.
Next stop, just plain ugly.
Oh, phew, I knew it was going to be one of those nights. To Robinson. Swatted away by Sewell. Up fake for 3. Nails the J. That's a 6-0 run. The Pistons cut the lead to 21. To Davis. Weber fakes the shot. He puts up the shot. He pushes hard up court.
Works, right? 3.
For 3.
No good.
Comes up empty. Hill grabs it.
The offense isn't able to get their transition game going.
They'll need to run something in the half court.
The assist to number 33, Grant Hill.
Nothing good for him. See it up.
With a nice shot fake. No. Passes off to McGrady. With a nice shot fake.
Check the time.
Puts up the shot.
Shaquille O'Neal. The assist to
3.
number 4,
Phillips misfired. The final score, 82, Detroit 57.